What's going on, YouTube? Hope everyone's doing good. Just chugging along over here. This is going to be episode 3 in the Project 1 build series, also known as the Beast. This episode is going to be machining the brackets for the X to the Y linear rails and getting the Z cut down to accept the drilling and cutting down the Z mounts so they'll fit the rail, and then maybe mock up at the end, maybe even start welding. I'll see how much video goes into this and not. Yeah, so if you're liking what you're seeing so far, subscribe, comment, let me know what you like, don't like, want to see changes, and we're going to get into it. So here we go. Okay, gonna cut some brackets to attach Y to the X. Okay, gonna drill the X mount to mount it to the Y rail. Okay, got the Z mount tube set up in the mill. I'm going to start drilling holes. Okay, there's the first two holes. Between all four Z square tubes, there's a total of 80 holes. I'm going to do those off camera because I know I'm going to hate doing it. So you probably hate watching all 80 holes. I'll get back with you guys when that's done. Okay, got all the holes in the Z-rail mounts drilled. There's a total of 80 of them. So now I'm going to clean them up and deburr them. I already did one just to see how I wanted to do it. So I'll throw it in time-lapse mode so you guys can get a look at that without it taking 20-30 minutes. Okay, now we're going to actually go through and bolt the SBR10 rail to the Z-axis mounts, and then we'll actually start putting this thing together. So I will put it in time-lapse again because there's 80 bolts to put in, and you guys can hang out and watch. Okay, so the first one's all bolted up. I'm going to bolt up the other three off camera and then get it all mocked up, and then we'll get back at it. And we'll actually probably start fitting bars and welding stuff together. Okay, sitting here mocking it up. This is about the space I need to get the gantry to swing over this rear one. So then I figured out down here on the lower side, I'm just going to cut it off 3 inches and then mill them all so they're the same. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, got it set up in the chop saw. Chop it off about there. Not too concerned how straight and parallel it is because I'll true it up in the mill. So go ahead and get this cut and get loud. We're going to save the pieces that we cut off to use that to mount the XY setup on the top. Okay, I got the Z-rail set up in the mill. Going to zero off the end of the rail and then go 3 inches over to this edge and we'll clean it up there. Okay, we're going to cut it off there. I'm going to throw one more video right after this, which is going to be like the beginning of the next series. It's the mock-up of all the parts we just finished making, so you can see a completed package of it mocked up. The next video is me welding it all together and actually starting to create the printer. So follow along, subscribe, ring that bell, like the video, and add a comment. Let me know what you want to see different. I have more projects coming in my head that I want to get going on. So follow along. There's going to be more interesting content. See you all soon.